So despite the not so catchy packaging, I find this product good enough for everyday use. Next thing that I will show you guys is sobrang mura lang, 48 pesos lang to. This one is super pigmented and hindi siya waxy. Super blendable and very easy to swipe.
Hold up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Divine. I'm back with another video. If you are new here, please don't forget to click the subscription box down below to see more of my videos. Thank you so much guys for being here today. So in today's video guys, I will show you some affordable eyebrow products that I personally use. So alam nyo naman, when kilay is life and we are on a tight budget, you can never go wrong with a drugstore brand. So lahat na ipapakita ko sa inyo is affordable compared sa ibang mga eyebrow products and super ganda ng quality ng mga to. For me, because I personally use these products and I hope kapag tinry nyo sila, mag-work din sila sa inyo. These products, nabibili nyo sila kahit saan. So if you are interested, let's get into the video. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that I will show you guys is the EB Advanced Brow Define. This is only 80 pesos guys. Sobrang mura lang. This eyebrow product has just the right amount of stiffness. It's not too soft, hindi rin siya sobrang hard, and sobrang dali lang mag-draw ng eyebrow dito. The only problem with this one, hindi naman problem, pero wala siyang spoolie. Talagang ganyan lang siya. Kasi yung ibang eyebrow product na ipapakita ko sa inyo, meron silang mga spoolie. But this one, wala siyang spoolie, but ginagawa naman yung job niya, so it's okay. Good thing about this one is a waterproof eyebrow product. And naglalast long talaga to. Kung gusto nyo ng long-lasting na murang eyebrow product, then you can use this one. Next thing that I will show you guys is sobrang mura lang. 48 pesos lang to. I don't know kung ano talaga yung brand niya, pero ang nakalagay dito is Ido. Pero nakuha ko to sa section ng Fashion 21. So yung shade ko is in the shade brown. Meron na rin siyang kasamang sharpener dyan para kapag ka medyo hindi nyo gusto yung shape ng mismong pencil, you can use a sharpener. And sobrang dali lang mag-shape ng kilay dito guys kasi nga pencil siya and pwede mo naman siyang tasahan. Sobrang ganda rin ang lapat niya sa skin ko kapag naglalagay ako ng eyebrow. Sobrang dali lang talaga mag-drawing. Especially doon sa mga part na wala akong kilay, ang dali lang niyang ilagay. Next thing that I will show you guys is one of my favorites. Pero sobrang paborito ko to. When I was still working before, ito yung ginagamit ko na pangkilay. Nung hindi pa ako gumagamit ng mga pomade na pangkilay, ito yung isa sa pinaka-favorite ko. Talagang nire-rave ko siya. This is the Nichido Brow Pencil. The price of this one is only 60 pesos. You can buy this sa mga Nichido counters nationwide. Super affordable nito guys. The good thing about this is meron na siyang spooling kasama. Nabe-blend naman niya yung product kapag ginamit niyo yung brush na to. This one is super pigmented and hindi siya waxy. Super blendable and very easy to swipe. Sobrang holy grail ko to. Kung naghahanap kayo ng murang eyebrow products na talagang maganda i-gamitin, kung nag-start pa lang kayo sa makeup, then buy this one. Next product that I will show you guys is this one. This is from the Pinkies collection. This one is 99 pesos. The shade ko is medium brown. So alam niyo naman, yung Pinkies collection is known for affordable products, yet great quality. Sobrang okay niya kasi ang haba niya. What I loved about this one is meron na siyang spoolie. Yung spoolie niya sobrang perfect sa size ng brows ko. And sobrang dali niyang gamitin. This product wasn't creamy but still easy to blend. So when I say not creamy, means that magtatagal tong pencil na to kasi sobrang sturdy niya. And this one has a semi-matte finish when you applied it to your brow. The next one that I will show you guys is this one. This is the Detail Make It Pro Starter Pen. This is a decent tool that it's very easy to use and it's very affordable. The price of this one is 119 pesos. This one also comes with a spoolie. Alam niyo naman guys, yung Detail Makeover, sobrang mura ng mga products nila. Yet, ang ganda rin ng quality. Unlike the other brow crayons or pencils, this one has a waxy formula. You can do a natural looking brows with this one, but if you're into detailed outline, you might need an angled brush and brow powder. This pencil comes in 3 or 4 shades, pero yung akin is the mocha, yun yung shade ko. So again, the price of this one is 119 pesos. Guys, if you're into powders, mayroon din ako isasuggest sa inyo na sobrang mura and sobrang sulit na product. And this is the Shawel 2-Way Eyebrow Cake. So despite the not so catchy packaging, I find this product good enough for everyday use. It comes with an eyebrow brush that for me isn't useful at all kasi meron naman akong spoolie and yung spoolie niya is yung bristles medyo makapal, so medyo mas mahirap siyang i-up. Kasi ang ginagamit ko dito is yung angled brush ko from Milani, yung pang pomade ko na brush, yun yung ginagamit ko. Whenever I tried using the brush of this one, I always get messy eyebrows. So kung gusto nyo ng mas maganda magka-draw, gumamit kayo ng mas dense na spoolie or eyebrow brush. This one, it comes with 2 shades. Pwede mo siyang ma-mix kung hindi mo makuha yung tamang color ng eyebrow mo. Kung ganito yung product na gagamitin nyo guys, I highly suggest na basain nyo muna yung inyong brush before dipping sa powder para hindi magkakalat yung powder sa face nyo and mas long-lasting siya kapag ginawa nyo yun. Mas madaling magkilay. The price of this one is 128 pesos only. So guys, by the way, kung makikita nyo yung mga products ko na may mga, ayan, like, may mga data stick. Yan yung time na inopen ko yung packaging. And I suggest na gawin nyo din yun para alam nyo kung kailan mag-expire yung mga products na gagamitin nyo. Let's move on. So yun nga, this one is a steal for me kasi sobrang mura niya lang and matagal nyo itong magagamit guys. I swear, a little goes a long way. So yun na yun lahat guys. If ever makahanap ulit ako ng bagong eyebrow products na sobrang mura, I will be updating you guys. Para malaman nyo din, ma-share ko sa inyo. Guys, if you have any video suggestions, please comment down below. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo kung naghahanap kayo ng mga eyebrow products na super affordable. Please comment down below kung bumili kayo or tinry nyo. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much. And I hope to see you on my next videos. Bye!